Okay, so we're getting ready to take the radiator off. We've kind of prepped it, loosened some things up, and this guy was very hard, this screw here, and the bracket was bending a little bit. So I grabbed the vice grips and put the vice grips on here, and to give it some support so that it doesn't bend. And so now it's coming off nice and easy. There's an Allen key, an Allen bolt that's holding it on.
5 millimeters.
5 millimeters. Okay, 5 millimeter Allen. And so that's coming out. And there's no resistance. And so we could take this off too. Oh, nice. Nice, that's what I wanted. And then on the right side, there was no bolt. In one of my many adventures, this bike got dropped. Not my many, but in one of my adventures. And that side of the radiator was not supported with a bolt because it got broken. Ooh, a little extra coolant. This was drained, but obviously not all of it was drained. Nice little surprise there. And let's move that out of the way. And I guess we could pull this guy out. And ooh, that's not gonna fit. It's too tight. So we're gonna need probably an open-end wrench here. Or what we could do is take these out. So I guess we'll just take these out off the frame. So now it's going in counterclockwise direction, obviously, so that we can take the bolt off. And we almost lost that in the drain. I don't know where it went. I don't think it went in the drain. You see it over there, Kate? Oh yeah, it's all the way over there.
Yeah, we got it. Okay.
Okay, here, let me have it. So I'm gonna put it back in the frame for now. Just for safekeeping. Just for now. Okay, so that's done. The left side is done. Now let's do the right side. We could just leave that there like that. I don't know. I guess we could just take it off of the frame since it's so tight. Ooh, that was in there good. Seems like it's in there good. Maybe because of the pressure of the radiator, the weight of the radiator pulling on it. And I think that's pretty much it. So now we just got to finesse it and get it out of there. And then we can get to the pipes. Dave's been wanting to get this radiator off. We got the radiator off.
There's no wire harness that goes through the fan that you need to remove.
I don't know. We'll see. Maybe over here. Maybe over here. But we're getting it off. It's coming off. I think that this is coming off here. There's got to be a wire because of the fan. So there has to be.
That's what I freaking said.
I know. That's what you just said a second ago.
Yeah.
So I'm just.
You went low battery, you know. So
agreeing.
It's right here. It's right here. You gotta plug this one in. You gotta come this side.
Okay.
Alright, that.
Problem is the polarity. So the white one was here.
The white goes inside, the blue goes outside.
Okay, so I think that's it for now. This is done. More or less.